So as I can see here, you're making drones, autopilot software, and of course simulators. The simulators
Yeah.
things has my eye. Of course, I love these simulators. So these are simulators for drones as well as other things, or just drones, sir?
This we are primarily making it for drones. You see, because one of the key requirements that has come up as a result of Operation Sindoor also is the fact that there needs to be a training, there need to be trained personnel who need to know how to operate drones. See, that is one of the critical missing links that was there also. And that was the reason why we decided that we would also make simulators which would help people to, train large number of frontline personnel, Agniveers, people who are already there in the, who are there in the army. They all could start using drones very easily. So
Hmm.
that's the reason we make the simulators as well.